Not long ago, Tesla demonstrated its Optimus robot's ability to perform household chores. From taking out the trash and stirring pots to vacuuming floors and cleaning tables, the robot capably handled a dozen or so household tasks. Meanwhile, Chinese players are not to be outdone. 3's Robotics Strabot C1 from Shenzhen claims it can complete these tasks in 2024, and even demonstrate tea ceremony skills with ease. Beyond completing tasks, the key to a robot's intelligence lies in its generalization ability, that is, whether the robot can learn autonomously when faced with new environments and new tasks. Otherwise, it's just a toy that can only execute tasks according to specific programs. Traditional robot training uses a data stuffing approach and requires repeated debugging in real environments. Currently, top robotics companies in China and abroad are attempting to significantly enhance robots' learning capabilities through techniques like reinforcement learning. Tesla's Optimus learned its household chore abilities entirely from watching videos of humans performing chores. This means Optimus possesses astonishing scalability, potentially allowing it to quickly learn anything in the future. 3's Robotics Strabot C1 is also aiming for the direction of simulating human skill transfer, enabling the robot to transfer existing knowledge to new scenarios through original skill learning and expansion. Optimus is set for production this year, with a mass production target of 50,000 units in 2026. The evolution of robots is faster than imagined, and we are one step closer to our dream of freeing our hands from household chores. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech updates and inventions.